Here is a 2-speed vintage 1995 Holmes box fan from the original Holmes company. Speed 1, low. It moves a decent amount of good air. It's not the best air mover, but it's better than today's garbage. However, it is from 1995, so it is vintage. And high. Or should I say that was high? That's my fault. I guess the first speed was high. This was low. Alright, let's move it back to high again then. So yeah, the first speed is high, then the second is low. Alright, spin down. In the back. Let's see if we can get a reading on the writing here. Hope y'all can read that. If you can't, I'm sorry. If you can, pause the video to read it. It is UL listed. Hold up. It's got some other stuff right here. I'm not sure if y'all can read that. Try to straighten up the video so you can read it. Clear it up. Get it to focus. There it is. You can read that. And yeah, UL listed. All right. That's it. And there's the handle right there in the back. Right there, the handle. Let's see if there's any information under it. Let's see. Yeah, QC passed. Right. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Don't leave rude comments. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you the next one, the Lord willing. God bless you, and gone.